In October 2021, the Southern Health and Social Care Trust established the Adult Disability Social Care Governance Forum. The forum, which includes care representatives from day services, day opportunities, supported living services, community services and specialist services, is the first governance forum for social care across the HSC. The forum was established to promote social care education and development and to support staff in achieving service improvements in the quality of care and outcomes for service users. We hope to replicate this forum across programmes within social care. Thus far, the forum has agreed to partner with communications in order to highlight the excellent work taking place within social care. In addition, the forum has highlighted the need for support around NISCC and training opportunities. Please see additional information within the description below. Our first example of good practice is the work currently taking place between Day Opportunities in the York Bestbrook and the National Trust in Derrymore Woods. The partnership, which was formed in 2011, has provided structured, meaningful activities for adults with learning disabilities from a range of backgrounds. The programme sets out to provide activities within the local community to promote equal citizenship and social inclusion for the group members. The Day Opportunity Derrymore project, in conjunction with the National Trust, has not only achieved such goals, but is also changing the local community's perception of people with learning disabilities and their ability to play a valuable role in society. The National Trust has also recognised the group for their work in changing the status of the service users to volunteers. Over the last 11 years, the group has completed a range of tasks on site, including ground clearing, litter picking, and they have created new pathways, vegetable patches, and cut back overgrown areas. If you're keen to be involved with the forum, or you have any points or examples of good practice that you would like to share, please contact the Social Care Governance Lead Conchur.white at conchur.white@southerntrust.hscni.net. Thank you.